Good morning, my name is Ana María Yate, of the course Valoración y Negociación de Tecnología, Unit 3. I grew 122. The problem to negotiate biotechnological products. Problem relates to the protection of intellectual property. Its most victims payments of advance for commercial exploitation of the mark because it's not account with this is not offered. Problem related to value technology. Do not perform analysis of patents where they identify trends of development technological by company what patents in biotechnology. Problem related to negotiation. Do not match agreement between the parties. Not be well informed about your particular business goals at the time of negotiation. Definition: technology transfers. It is a process in which technology of knowledge developed at one organization is transferred to another, typically for the purpose of commercialization. It covers process that avoids scientific finds, knowledge, and intellectual property to flow from careers such as university and research institutions to public and private users. Technology transfer is the movement of knowledge and discovery to the general public. And recommendation: set clear conditions in the agreement. Second, analyze new technology trends. Third, collect information related to the project. Thank you.